So, what is Apache Druid? Apache Druid is a real-time analytics database designed for fast slice and dice analytics on large datasets. Most often, Druid powers use cases where real-time ingestion, fast query performance, and high uptime are important. Druid is commonly used as the database backend for GUIs of analytical applications or for highly concurrent APIs that need fast aggregations. Druid's core architecture combines ideas from data warehouses, time series databases, and log search systems.
Druid has many use cases. Some of them are as follows: clickstream analytics, including web and mobile analytics, like tracking what you clicked or touched. Network telemetry analytics, including network performance monitoring, like its data rate and usage. Application performance metrics, like memory and CPU usage. Digital marketing analytics, like ad performance. Server metrics storage, like its uptime. Supply chain analytics, including manufacturing metrics. And of course, business intelligence.
Now, let's talk about the key features of Druid. So, how scalable is it?
Typical Druid deployments span clusters ranging from tens to hundreds of servers. Druid can ingest data at the rate of millions of records per second while retaining trillions of records and maintaining query latencies ranging from the sub-seconds to a few seconds.
Okay, so Druid uses column-oriented storage. How does it benefit the users?
By using the column storage format, it only loads the exact columns needed for a particular query. This greatly improves speed for queries that retrieve only a few columns. Additionally, to support fast scans and aggregations, Druid optimizes column storage for each column according to its data type.
Druid boasts about its self-healing and self-balancing features. So, what are they exactly?
As an operator, you add servers to scale out or remove servers to scale down. The Druid cluster rebalances itself automatically in the background without any downtime. If a Druid server fails, the system automatically routes data around the damage until the server can be replaced. Druid is designed to run continuously without planned downtime for any reason. This is true for configuration changes and software updates. In addition to the features we already discussed, Druid can also process each query in parallel across the entire cluster. Ingested data is immediately available for querying, and Druid can ingest data either in real time or in batches. After ingestion, Druid safely stores a copy of your data in deep storage, which is typically a cloud storage, to recover your data in the unlikely case that all Druid servers fail. Also, Druid optionally supports data summarization at ingestion time.
Druid is a good choice if your use case requires some of the following. When insert rates are very high but updates are less common. You are targeting query latencies 100 milliseconds to a few seconds. When data has a time component. Your data has high cardinality columns like URLs that need fast counting and ranking over them. You want to load data from Kafka, HDFS, flat files, or object storage like Amazon S3. There are some situations where you probably shouldn't use Druid. You need low latency updates of existing records using a primary key. You can use something like BigQuery for that. When you are building an offline reporting system where query latency is not very important. You want to join two big tables, which should take a long time.
You can follow the quick start mentioned in the description to find up-to-date information on how to set up Druid on your machine.
If you enjoyed this excerpt, please like and share. If you have any suggestions, feedbacks, or questions, don't hesitate to comment.
And to stay tuned, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you soon.